PANASONIC Eluga i3, and let me show you how to enter here the save mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's hold down power off for a couple of seconds. The reboot to save mode info pops up. Let's tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until the save mode pops up on your screen. As you can see, the save mode pops up, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a save mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key, choose here restart, and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until the phone boots into the normal mode. Excellent, so everything went well. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.